instead of doing that all the things, we consider as an AI agent who does the all the things according to our commands. Here is an user who want to buy 100 rupees t-shirt. So basically it gives the output like example, hey, this is your product which I have ordered. Okay, so today in this video we are going to see that what is mean by AI agents and why are they used and is it important, and everything we are going to cover in this video all about the AI agents. And if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's talk about the AI agents. Okay, so in artificial intelligence, an agent is an software program that can interact with environment, gather information and use that information to complete its task on its own to achieve goal set by the human. Okay, it will perform a task which is given by the human. Okay, so we are going to see with the simple example. Okay, so now before moving to AI agents, we have to talk all about the LLM. Okay, what is mean by LLM? Okay, so basically LLM stands for large language model. So basically it is like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an LLM model. DeepSeek AI, Grok AI, etc. They are the large language models. Okay, just considered as ChatGPT as LLM. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, now we are going to see that what are AI agents. Okay, like example here, with the simple example you get that what is mean by AI agents. Here is an user who want to buy 100 rupees t-shirt of color red of M size. Okay, so this is his condition that I want to buy 100 rupees t-shirt of red color of M size. Okay, so basically what it does means that he will move through the Amazon application and he will search about that product, select that product and convert into cart, and he will buy it and do the payment, and after that he get the order details. Okay, so this is how the process he follows. The AI agent comes in the picture right now. Okay, so instead of doing the thing manually, what it does means that the AI comes here in the center between the user and the application. Okay, so instead of going to the Amazon, what I does means that just I will give a command to the AI agent that I want to buy 100 rupees t-shirt of color red of M size. Then he will go to the Amazon application and he will do this all the things, like he will search the t-shirt and he will filter it and select it and cart it, buy and payment, and he will collect the order details of the product. Now it will take the return the order details from the Amazon, and he will give us the output as this order detail. Okay, so basically it gives the output like example, hey, this is your product which I have ordered. Okay, so it will give you the output like that. Okay, so this was all about the how the AI agents work. Okay, instead of doing that all the things, we consider as an AI agent who does the all the things according to our commands. So this was all about the AI agent. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.